today we got the motor for the Acadian. And if you guys have been following for a long time, you know all about the Acadian project. If you're not following, check it out. '66 Pontiac Acadian. It's the equivalent of the Chevy 2, the Nova. So what we have here now today, another piece of that puzzle. Got a new engine for it. It's a 350, which is apparently from a 1968 Corvette. It's got Camel bump heads, which I do believe that means it's got 202 valves in it. I have no idea what's got a for a cam. We're gonna clean it up, rip it apart, and find out. Got some dirt on it. It's got some sawdust on it. It's got all kinds of grease still stuck to it. So let's spray it down and clean her up. And let's see what she looks like on the inside. I'm gonna need some kind of shield if I'm gonna be doing that. All right, so we got it kind of cleaned off, aired off anyway. So now there's not so much crap stuck to it. Thanks for the help there, Letty. So now I'm gonna, ooh, you can't see me. There we go. Oh, son, I just busted the end off of it. Shit. Look it. Whoops. Okay. I'm gonna spray the engine down with this stuff, this degreaser gunk. Not sponsored, I'm just showing what I'm using, just in case you guys wanna use it, and in case it sucks, whatever. So I'm gonna spray the engine down with that, and then we wait. What are you doing? You're so annoying. Oh my gosh, you're annoying. I'm gonna get you. Okay, let's spray a motor. Hey, motor. Ooh. Oh. Gooey gooey. I don't even know if I'm doing this right. You're really supposed to spray this much shit on there? Who knows? Make sure you get it everywhere though. Get all that grease off. Actually, not so concerned about the intake manifold and stuff because that'll probably get changed. But the rest of this crap, nice day. Okay, the other thing is I don't have a pressure washer, so this could turn out really shitty. So, bear with me, baby. Mosquito season, I had to put on a hoodie. So like I was saying, I have no pressure washer, so I put this degreaser shit on. Now I gotta try to spray it off with just the regular hose. I got a little nozzle thingy. Might have a adequate pressure. And then we'll take the air hose off and try it off again, but I don't think it's gonna work that great, but it will be a little cleaner than it was when I put it on the stand. It's not gonna be totally nasty.
Not worthy or not good enough, you're not going to be good enough. But it's simple and it takes a lot of work.
Please hold for intermission.